Hello, my name's Tom Murray and this is a poem for National Poetry Day on the theme of nature. It is called Nature Turns. Four winds enact nature's treaty, call forth ancient allies with a howling call to action. No longer the human doormat, this earthworm has turned. So-called conqueror's flag shredded to the four winds. Human deaf ears feel the vibration. Ancient survival instincts tingle in search of a backbone. Raging rivers heed four winds' call, gather their tributaries, whirlpools, picturesque waterfalls linked with raging rivers to break the brittle bank. Sun, aware of its burning power, hesitates. No way back once the thermostat turned. Sun worshippers ignore its pleas, blind to the vanishing sand. Thermostat turned, whispered apologies to the innocent trees made skeletons. Ice below the surface cracks, seas rise to the moment. Nature's forces gather with common purpose in the higher ground, wait till the sunrise on the new day. Winds pray for a change in direction, rivers strive, still waters wait, seas drown their sorrows. Sun folds the darkness away, four winds send rivers for the final negotiation. Human silence gives the signal. Thank you.